Welcome to my channel. In this video we will learn use of this and that. Let's start. Use of this. We use this to talk about something that is close to us. Let's understand this with some examples. This is a cat. This is a bat. This is my ball. This is a doll. This is a car. This is a rat. This is a chair. This is a pen. This is an apple. This is a cup. Use of that. We use that to talk about something that is far away from us. That is a tree. That is the sun. That is a house. That is a kite. That is my ball. That is a star. That is a dog. That is a bus. That is a bird. That is a car.